Hello, green thumbs and design lovers. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your home for all things green, serene, and beautifully designed. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been looking at your paved backyard or concrete patio and thinking, there's just no space for a real garden here, think again. Spring is the season of renewal, and today we're showing you how to turn even the plainest, most hard-surfaced outdoor areas into a lush, thriving oasis. Even if your yard is entirely a patio, there's always room for a garden. Whether you only have a small sliver of available soil next to the pavement, or there's no open ground at all but plenty of open patio to use, you can add plants to make the space infinitely more beautiful, vibrant, and inviting. Here are our top 10 favorite patio spring garden ideas that will have you gardening in your outdoor lounge space ASAP. Before we dive into the list, let's talk about what a patio spring garden truly means. A patio spring garden isn't just about placing a couple of potted plants on a concrete slab. It's a deliberate design philosophy that blends hardscaping with nature. It's the art of transforming hard, structural outdoor living areas into soft, living environments specifically tailored for the spring season. This concept focuses on vertical greenery, clever container arrangements, raised planter beds, and intentional plant choices that burst into bloom as the weather warms up. It means utilizing every square inch of your patio walls, ledges, corners, and overhead structures to create a seamless bridge between modern architecture and natural beauty. Now let's dive into some practical and inspiring garden design ideas that you can implement in your own space. Here these the collection of the top 10 best patio spring garden ideas to spark your creativity. One, plant spillers along a retaining wall. This small seating area is abundant with blooms thanks to colorful perennial plantings spilling gracefully over the white retaining wall and cascading onto the edge of this compact wooden deck patio space. Tall Siberian irises add vivid purple tones that perfectly enhance the cobalt blue mosaic bistro table, creating a cozy, multi-layered garden nook that feels deeply connected to nature without taking up precious foot space. 2. Add palms to mirror a fountain. Tall, sculptural potted plants mimic this striking courtyard water feature. The sprawling fronds and textured trunks of potted palms add incredible warmth, structure, and tropical style to the tiled floor and rustic stucco walls. The rhythmic pairing of lush foliage with cascading water creates a peaceful, Mediterranean-inspired sanctuary right outside your door. 3. Define space with a canopy. This charming patio retreat features a dramatic open-air metal canopy draped in cascading, flowering white wisteria. When this breathtaking perennial vine isn't flowering, there are plenty more blooms happening in this well-planned garden layout below, including tall purple alliums along the stone wall. Learning about bloom times helps you plan a spring garden that continuously displays vibrant flowers all season long. 4. Create a vista. This covered patio overlooks a magnificent, dense tree line, and the built-in dark planter boxes filled with colorful, overflowing greenery accentuate the lush natural vista. Small tabletop potted plants continue the green theme indoors and out, seamlessly blending the comfort of an upholstered outdoor living room with the grand beauty of the natural forest view beyond. 5. Surround yourself with plants. Even when your patio is tiny and smack dab in the middle of a wooden fence boundary, it can still play host to a rich variety of plants. You can add them in woven pots, utilize a narrow sliver of dirt along the edge, or let climbing vines scale the wooden backdrop. The eclectic assortment of container plantings and soft textures perfectly complements the cozy, bohemian design of this intimate garden seating space. 6. Install large container plants. The potted quickfire hydrangeas in this lush, light-filled patio design offer a long season of vibrant white blooms with very low maintenance. Meanwhile, lush potted ferns and leafy Japanese maples stay vibrant green from early spring through autumn. Adding large statement containers creates visual weight, transforms stone paths into garden walkways, and gives your patio a mature, established garden feel. 7. Rely on potted plants. Even with a small patio space that serves multiple functions, you can create a layout that allows for a flourishing garden alongside daily living areas. This cozy patio nook features an egg chair seating area, a high-end grill for outdoor cooking, and a rustic fire feature. Plants in small clay pots can easily be moved around to continuously reconfigure and refresh the look and feel of your space. 8. Simplify with raised beds. Even if you feel you have virtually no natural soil or garden beds, elevated wooden raised planter boxes placed along a gravel walkway make a wonderful small patio garden solution. You can grow herbs, flowers, or fresh greens at waist height, and supplement with a few traditional clay pots on the gravel to expand your growing area and add charming vertical variety. 9. Plant lavender for a French country look. This rural property features rustic stone-edged flower beds and a narrow gravel patio that instantly evokes a classic European vibe. Planting colorful potted geraniums alongside dense, hardy lavender creates an authentic French country aesthetic. As an unexpected bonus, lavender lends a fresh, relaxing herbal scent that naturally helps repel unwanted garden insects while you lounge outside. 10. Soften straight lines with green textures. This modern home features a clean white-tiled patio with built-in planting beds that integrate seamlessly near the dining area. A vibrant shrub breaks through right in the middle of the tiled patio within a low bed of rich red cover plants. These organic textures, curved leaves, and vivid hues balance the sharp, angular lines of modern architecture and inject a much-needed burst of vitality into the living space. Transforming your outdoor space doesn't require acres of land or sweeping lawns. As these 10 ideas demonstrate, with a little creativity, strategic plant choices, and smart spatial design, any patio can become a paradise of spring color and natural serenity. Whether you prefer the Mediterranean charm of palms and fountains, the cozy rustic appeal of raised beds, or modern architectural greenery, your patio holds endless potential waiting to be unlocked. Thank you so much for watching. Which of these patio spring garden ideas are you most excited to try in your own home? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please hit that like button, share it with a fellow garden lover, and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly tips, tour ideas, and outdoor design inspiration. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.